I was 14 years old. My dad met a guy that invented a certain type of windshield repair kit. We started going to all the used car plots and rent-a-car places and made a ton of money as a 14-year-old, about $400 a day at 14, and so that's how I got into it many, many years ago. We get to save people from buying a full windshield if they don't have to, and we make a nice income on it. GlasWeld is very sleek looking, a lot more cutting edge looking than a regular old windshield repair kit that I've seen, and it's a lot easier to use. I've seen almost non-existent. You can't even see the repairs anymore, most of them. Unless they're really dirty from the beginning, we've seen everything disappear pretty much. So, a lot of good, happy customers.
Awesome.